This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Dodge Durango headlights. We'll start by identifying the most common issues that can cause your headlights to malfunction. Then, we'll go over the necessary tools and parts you'll need to get the job done right. Finally, we'll cover important safety precautions to ensure a smooth and secure repair process. This guide will help you restore your vehicle's illumination effectively. First, let's diagnose the problem. A common culprit is a burnt-out bulb. Visually inspect the filament for breaks. Next, locate your vehicle's fuse box and check the headlight fuses for any signs of being blown. If those seem fine, use a multimeter to test the headlight switch and wiring for proper power delivery. This systematic approach helps pinpoint the exact issue. Now for the replacement. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal before starting. Depending on the issue, you might replace just the bulb or the entire headlight assembly. Carefully remove the old component, then install the new one, ensuring all connections are secure and properly seated. This step-by-step process makes replacement straightforward. After replacement, it's crucial to test everything. Turn on your headlights to confirm they are working correctly. Next, adjust their aim to ensure proper road illumination without blinding oncoming drivers. Finally, remember to regularly clean your headlight lenses to maintain maximum clarity and light output. Simple maintenance can significantly extend the life of your headlights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.